there, it's Shauna from the Shauna Method, and I am in the kitchen today sharing tips to help things work more smoothly and be more productive in your kitchen. And this tip is about these things, the rubber gloves. Now I know not everybody uses them, but if you use them, and I do, because I like to wear them when I'm washing dishes in very hot water, or if I'm cleaning with a chemical that might be hard on my skin. The tough thing about these rubber gloves, these latex gloves, is how to store them, because they don't have a little hook or anything, right? And you don't want to put them away in a drawer or something when they're wet. So we need a way to store them where they can dry, but they're hard to hang up. Sometimes people hang them over the edge of a bucket or a container under the sink. That can work well. But another tip I have is just grab a large binder clip. Binder clips are actually great in the kitchen because they make great bag clips, but also because of this rounded part right here, they're sort of a built-in handle. So I use a binder clip on my gloves. I just clip the top of the gloves, and then I put a hook on the inside of my cabinet that's underneath my sink. I use like a command hook or another adhesive kind of hook, and then I just hang them up when I'm finished and they dry. You can also use binder clips to hang pot holders or oven mitts if you don't have a drawer to put those in. So think of using binder clips in your kitchen and how they might help you be more productive in your kitchen.